Welcome guys. In this video we'll show you an amazing but not so famous feature in Microsoft Excel. Many of you will find very useful and will love it for sure. It's called Speak Cells. Before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Thank you guys. So let's get started with the video. To activate this Speak Cells, you need to click on this Customize Quick Access toolbar. Go to More Commands. From the drop down menu, select All Commands. Now scroll down to Speak Cells. So we'll add two features from here. First will be Speak Cells and next one will be Speak Cells on Enter. You can rearrange this commands using this button. So if I want to move it up, then I can move it up. If I want this one to move up as well, then I can do it here. Click OK. Now this feature will be available in the quick access toolbar. Let's first understand Speak Cells on Enter. Using this feature, you can easily verify the data entry and reduce the errors. Suppose you are entering any data into the Excel from a piece of paper or other screen or any program. You are probably going to look at the source of the data and typing that data in your Excel worksheet. So unless you are very confident in your typing skill, you are going to be looking back and forth on the from the source or the information to make sure that you have typed the numbers or data correctly. This is going to be very time consuming, you know that, and it will be very exhausting as well. For this we can use Speak Cells on Enter. So basically I can just go up to what's called quick access toolbar, click on the Speak Cells on Enter. You can see it over here. I have it
Cells
over
will
here.
now be spoken on Enter.
So yeah, so now it's activated. So let's try adding some data in here. We already have some headers. Now we'll enter the data in here. So let's type capital and I will hit enter.
Capital.
It tried to pronounce and it did well. So now I'll in this cell I will enter secured loans. Again, instead of hitting enter, I will use tab button.
Secured loans.
So you can see that we can use tab also. So now let's enter some values. I will try to enter some values over here. So if I enter some value and I'll press tab again,
5432679.
you can see that values are also recognized. So this was our first feature, Speak Cells on Enter. Let's move to the second feature called Speak Cells. Guys, keep watching this video. We'll have some important tips for you at the end. First feature was all about when you have data entry. Now suppose you need to verify already entered data or you want to cross check data with source. For this we will use Speak Cells. For this, select the data you want to verify. I have selected this data. Now go to quick access toolbar and click on Speak Cells. Let's try this now on this data.
Liabilities. Amount. Capital. 1467124. Secured loans. 1381911. Unsecured loans. 1161377.
So now you can just start Speak Cells feature and check data with this source. Before you start using Speak Cells, here are some points to remember. So number one will be, if you don't select the data, it will automatically select the current data table. So if I am clicking over here and I am starting Speak Cells, you can see.
Capital. 1467124.
It has selected that data table automatically. I don't have to select that data table. Second one will be, if you have checked this, it will speak data from left to right and then downwards in the selection. Third one will be, to stop Speak Cells, you can just press escape and Speak Cell will not be activated. So like this, if I activate
1467124.
if I want to stop this, I can just
138.
press escape and it will be stopped. Number 4 will be, Excel will speak cells only when you are in this worksheet. Okay, so if you are trying to switch to any other program, it will stop Speak Cells feature. So let's move on to our bonus tip now. So what's the bonus tip? As we already know, Excel has many different number formats. You can use these number formats or currency formats with speak cells. You can see over here in this table we haven't formatted the numbers. Now let's try this on the number formats. If I try to use it over here, here what it speaks.
Capital 467124.
It just speaks the numbers. If I am using it on the numbers formatted with numbers formatted, then it will speak something like this.
Fixed assets 1,937,283. Investments 1,054,226.
So now you can see the difference how both numbers are spoken by the Excel. You can choose the format as you want to hear and comfortable with. Let's try this with currency as well. Now I have selected over here two different currencies. So first we'll start with this currency. Let's try this.
Rupees 744,171 Indian rupees.
Now let's try with the dollars currency.
Dollar $57,090.52.
Amazing, isn't it? It speaks the selected currency as well. So you can use this feature to save your time. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to press the like button and send your views in the comments. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching.